so it's not gonna take forever. Oh my goodness, look at that!
What is it?
Look at that, it's an ABC board. There you go.
It makes too loud of a sound.
So he's a delicate boy.
Don't bite it. Here.
I hope that those things are durable.
I do too.
Ready?
There he goes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here. And now I want it.
There you go, yeah. And then turn it the other way.
Whoa. That one's got penguins in it.
Hey, look what's in here.
William.
Hey,
Here you go.
like, get it out. What's in here?
Here come.
Welcome to the day after Christmas. Here is what my house looks like. So for Christmas, we had family come over in the afternoon. We had a nice meal all together. The boys got 3 different train sets from 3 different sets of grandparents, from their Mimi, from their Nana and Papa, from their Grandma and Grandpa. So many trains, and they love them. They got so many fun presents, so many educational presents. It was such a good time, and I'm so excited about this train table. It's basically our coffee table now. The kitchen is the really bad part. My dining room didn't turn out too terrible because we had dogs to clean up the crumbs, but I still need to vacuum. But get ready. Get ready. Here comes the kitchen. Thankfully, my husband took out the trash before he went to work this morning. He decided to take on some shifts in between Christmas and New Year's just for that holiday pay. You know how it is? Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God. So bad. So today is basically just cleaning up. I made shortbread cookies. I made no-bake cookies. The shortbread cookies turned out so good. I tried to make fudge. It did not turn out. It's like solid and everything, but it's like the sugar didn't dissolve. Maybe it's my recipe. So the boys got pairs of matching pajamas. They matched with their cousin, which was so cute. They look like little tiny teddy bears. They slept so good in their cozy pajamas too. It was so fun. Here are my boys in their matching pajamas. In this video, my microphone was not turned on, so I'm doing a little voiceover. But let's get to cleaning. So I got that done. This part of the counter is looking a lot better. That part still doesn't look great. You don't need that. Thank you. Thank you, my boy. Thank you, my boy. But I still need to sweep, wipe the counters. I need to wipe the stove off. I need to clean the sink. I need to clean all back behind there because there's just water gets everywhere, you know. I am not the cleanest when it comes to doing dishes. So I also need to clean all of these eggs. So they've got a bloom on them. They're okay on the counter, but I like to clean them so they're fresh and ready in the morning so I can just make breakfast. Do you want to say hi? Can you say hello? Look. Say hello. Who is that? Oh. Who is that? Oh. Oh my goodness, we fell over. Who is that? A. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Can you say ah, ah, ah? B. Ba, 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 ba. Like a, what's this? Baby. What's this? It's a cat. What's this? What does the kitty cat say? Point your finger, ready? The rabbit wants to get to the carrots. We go up and down and 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 up and down. He gets to the carrots! Do you want to help the turtle? Help the turtle get to the lettuce.